Gary Pepper here. It is a blustery, gloomy day out. Look at that. Windy. It just rained. Do I hear a kid crying? No. Just roaring like a dinosaur. Thought they were crying. Alright, this morning, well today, we've got a little mail call from Mr. A.L. Lundy at Ale Outdoors. Ale sent me a little friend mail. Gonna use my multi-tool to open it up. Alright. I gave it away what it was. The note reads, "Hi Nicole, here are the keychains for you and your girlfriend. I hope you like them. Keep up the good work on your channel, and thanks for the support. Your friend, Al." Ale does these kick-ass keychains. He made Rick at Tack Hill a long one for his wallet chain. Michelle's favorite color is blue, so he made her a blue one. And my favorite color is green, so he made me a green one. These are awesome. It takes a lot of work to do that. Those are individual rings. That's really cool. You did a really good job, Al. I appreciate it, sir. Be looking out for something in the mail for you here within the next week. I appreciate it. Michelle says, "Do I have to get on camera and thank him?" I said, "No, you don't have to get on camera to thank him. I will thank him for you." She really likes it. She says, "Thank you." Alright. So, we got the mail call on that. And the purpose for this video is I wanted to go over my EDC bag. The bag that I carry with me every single day. Well, I came out to the garage because the Joker lost his head, so I need to glue his head back on. Oh no! So, I'll fix him a little later. Alright. This is my everyday carry bag. Swiss gear. I love Swiss gear. It's got many pockets. It's got a big pocket in front, a small pocket in front. It has one compartment here and another compartment back here. This part back here is cushioned, so it's real nice. On the back, it's got the shock absorbing arms. It has a sunglass holder there. It's got either a Swiss Army knife or cell phone, or cell phones these days are too big really, so I like to put, you know, a multi-tool or something right in that pocket so it's easy access. And it also has mesh pockets on both the sides so you can put a drink. It has two pockets on the sides, on both sides. It's got a sturdy handle on top. It has a place to hook a carabiner or something on here. I don't really like stuff flopping around while I'm moving, so I really don't put anything on the outsides of my bag. It's got the awesome thumb hook drawstring, so when it's on your back, you can grab those holes and cinch it down, so that way it's nice and secure on your back. My mother actually got me this pack when I was in school, because once I have a pack, It's my pack for a very long time. It also has, you can stick your MP3 player in the pocket right on the inside, or your cell phone or whatever, and then feed your headphones up through the top. So they're right there while your backpack is on you. So, we will start. We're going to start with the little pocket in front. This is a pocket that I like to have readily available to me. I'm a Sharpie queen, so I always have Sharpies on me. I've got a little Velcro pouch here. And I just have a couple wet fires in there. Always have some kind of tape on me. So we've got a big roll of electrical tape. I just have some Band-Aids tossed in there. We've got my Altoid Survival tin. You can see a full video of the contents on one of my other videos. I also have this Sweetest Nightmare 1 sent me. It's pretty much a fishing kit. You can see the contents of that. And I added a couple more things into it. You can see that video. I think it was maybe 3 or 4 videos back. But you can check that out if you want. I keep a thing of matches up here in the top. And it's a mixture of regular matches and storm matches. And this is the one that has a signal mirror or whatever type of mirror on the top, and then a small striker on the bottom. It's waterproof. I'm a lighter queen too, so I have several lighters in the top pocket. There's another Sharpie, pencil, an Allen key. I use these quite often around the house or at work. One of our doors, to unlock it and lock it from the inside, you use an Allen wrench, and they always seem to disappear, so I always keep one on me. I've got my pocket bellows here that I got from Ed at Grizzly Taco. Very nice. Always wanted one. I won it in his giveaway. Great guy. Check him out. There's a couple 11 cents in there. I have smaller, my Hoffman Richter spring assisted multi-tool in there. Got several functions on it. I'm not going to go into that. But I can always take this off and hook that on the front carabiner on the pack if I need to. And that's it for that pocket. And I'm just going to shove everything back in here so I don't have a mess as we go. Zipper up. Then we're going to move down to the bottom pouch. I always keep deodorant on hand. This stuff is wonderful. It's Evian natural mineral water Brumasature facial spray. Just gives you a nice refreshing boost. That's all it is Evian water in a spray can. But hey, you're in a pinch out in survival. You got some H2O right there. I have a little first aid kit in my pack as well. This kit I got from Jay at Sweetest Nightmare 1. I added a couple things. I added an Imodium. I added a pack of ibuprofen and Tylenol 3. and it's got one of those keep fresh little things inside of it. You know, a pack of matches. I threw in a couple dental picks. We've got some, it's just sodium chloride solution. And then insects, triple antibiotic, iodine, bacitracin, poison ivy wipe, a quick clean, some sunscreen, some lip balm, another pick, some alcohol, and first aid burn cream. And I think I meant to put those few band-aids that I had in there as well. I think I had the band-aids out because I had a cut on my finger, and I kept them out for a little while because I was replacing them. Because I didn't have any finger cuts to keep it dry, and I kept washing and having to reapply the band-aid. So, we got a little first aid. It's just a little Johnson's & Johnson's, and I put a Ranger band on it so that way it stays. I got a thing of Q-tips. I'm always putting lotion on, so I carry lotion with me. Some Gold Bond medicated powder for your feet, or chub rub, or whatever. A packet of Kleenex. I keep some granola bars. These things are wonderful. And this is just the golden oat. Love them. Keep a tire gauge in there. Zip that back up. Here I did just a little fire kit. It's got, of course, a tampon in there. It's got my extreme matches wrapped in TP, dipped in paraffin wax, cotton round, some jute twine soaked in wax. It's got my Amaze balls, a couple of those in there, and some rolled up cotton rounds dipped in wax, and a little zip thing. These containers come in handy. I have quite a few of them, and it's from Vuse, the electronic cigarettes. Rubber band to keep it secure. Then we've got some sanitizer. A little overkill, but hey, if I need it for a stove or whatever, I do have some more band-aids in a pouch down in here. Extra lead for a pencil. There is a place to stick your keys on here too, which the other half is on my key, and it snaps right in here. It was built into the backpack. I don't know why there's a screw in there. And this fell off my keychain. It's an eyeball. And got a highlighter, some more lead, a pen, bandana. Never know when you need one of those. I always keep a toothbrush, floss, and toothpaste on me. This came apart. I've had one of this for quite a long time. These things are pretty nifty. It's got a thermometer on one side, a compass on the other. It's got a little flashlight on it. It's a whistle. It goes around your neck. You open it up. There is a magnifying glass on it, a signal mirror, and just a pouch that you can put some tinder inside. Love this little thing. I picked it up at Woodville Surplus for a couple bucks, and that stays in my pack. A lottery scratcher, some random stuff. Shove that back in there. Yeah, like I said, I carry this bag everywhere with me. And when I was in school, of course, I had less EDC stuff because I had to put my hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars worth of books in there. It was ridiculous. the amount of money you pay for college books. And I also have my electronic cigarette charger in there as well. And on the side, I have my earbuds in one pocket. For quick access, I have my Mora 511. I also have my ferro rod that I got from Pine Fire. This glows in the dark. And my Z Hunter zombie killer. But really, I use it for that. A striker. It works wonderfully for a striker. Got this from Jay at Sweetest Nightmare. And it just snugly fits around there and fits right in my side pocket. And I also have a thing of Easy Towel shoved in there. Looks like the kids are outside. Sounds like it. Yes. And then the other side, I keep my Scorpion 2, eating. What's doing? This is a charger. It has USB, phone, earplugs. It's solar powered. It is crank powered. It has a bottle opener. It has a flashlight. And it's a radio, and it also has a weather broadband radio on it as well. And this I can clip on the outside of the pack as well, so it can soak up the sun. And the charging cord for that. It has an antenna that comes out as well. Inside we have my El Salvador Condor knife that I just got. I'm in love with this knife with the leather sheath. I'm obsessed with gloves, so I always carry a set of gloves. In this case, I have 2 sets of gloves, a combat gauze. I've gone over this pack as well. It's from Boshiho. I'll just open it up so you can see it, what I'm talking about. They did send me another pack because this one broke. It's just got your compass, a knife, a ferro rod and striker, a big flashlight, a small flashlight, a whistle, a tactical pen, a multi-tool card, and all kinds of goodness in there. So I carry that with my EDC kit and my EDC bag. I do need to change that out, so I'm going to leave that out. In the little pocket where the phone would go, I've got some gloves, nitro gloves. I keep a food MRE ration in there. I've got a first aid kit in here as well. I'm not going to open that and go into it. You've seen all the goodness that I had in there. If anybody does want to see the contents of what I keep in this bag, leave a comment below and I will do a video on it. I've got some paracord in there, some 550. This I got from Steven at Primitive Fusion. I won his giveaway. I've got a press sealed bag with 2 ponchos and 2 emergency blankets. I've got some paperwork for kindling. More paperwork for kindling. I also have my Maxpedition hard use gear with my American flag patch. The contents of this, I have a paracord keychain. I have my True Nano flashlight hooked on there. I've got my Carolina knife in there. Love this knife. I have a little fire kit in here as well. The contents of this are birch bark from Sweetest Nightmare, a bunch of goodness over here from Pine Fire. I've got some shavings and Maya dust that I created. I do have a tot in there.
You got some kind of board?
What kind of board?
A flat one that we can set these on?
Like, how long?
To fit like 8 of them?
There's, right there, see that thing behind the door?
I'm in here, buddy.
I'm kind of in the middle of a video.
What, love?
I said I'm kind of in the middle of a video, but behind that door there's wheels. See the wheels?
Yeah, but I'm just gonna blow away.
No, it's not. You put it upside
Well, help me
down.
out, would you?
I'm kind of in the middle of a video.
You know, because you can't do that later.
I can't pause it. I don't have editing. We just have some Propel packets and some of the 3-in-1 packets that I got from Dick. He was so gracious to send me at Big Boy Bushcraft. Some tinfoil. And pretty much that's all I have in there. I do want to kind of redo this and get some
Yeah, I'm not getting that out of
more stuff out. The only other thing that I can think of is just gonna blow away in the wind. Can you use the top of that? Or that's it for that pocket.
Yeah.
Sorry about that, guys. They're never bad out here. Mayflies and June bugs. Port Clinton gets them really bad, but we really don't out here. The back of it opens all the way up. In here, I've got my stainless steel bottle with my stainless steel cup that has my initials on it. I got this free from Marlboro one year. There's a carabiner clip on it as well. I've got my folding stove that I got from Coyote. 100 Deadly Skills notebook. This has all of my addresses and my lists for addresses for you guys, my list for my Altoid tins, all kinds of stuff in there. And the back has my folding saw, and I got some fat wood, and I'm going to get off of here now because they have invaded my garage with their bowling. So, let me know what you guys think, and thanks for watching. Turned it out to be 24 minutes long. I'm going to cut it here. Have a good one, guys.